didn't say Sagittarius a second ago. I don't know why I'm hearing Sagittarius, so maybe somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius. I don't know why I heard Sagittarius. I don't know. But anyway, somebody wants to give you this offer, but there's some type of codependency here. Clarify the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Tell me more. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Sagittarius, because I keep hearing Sagittarius. So, let's see. Yeah, there's definitely some type of codependency here with this person. So it looks like you guys need to make a decision. You could be up late at night frustrated, worried about it. This person could be up late at night worried, frustrated about it. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here. But I do feel like, yeah, regardless of whoever's up late at night, somebody definitely wants to move forward. Maybe someone wants to, you know, move towards you physically. Like they have to move out of the situation that they're in order to give you this offer that you want. Because, yeah, look at that. Somebody definitely, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm getting excited for y'all. Somebody, you know, sees you, making them very happy. They're content with you. You balance them out. You know, maybe if somebody was codependent to someone else for finances, I feel like they took their time staying away from you because they wanted to balance out their financial situation first before they came to give you this offer. Yeah, but look at that. Oh my gosh, yeah. Somebody feels like they got stabbed in the back. It was definitely an ending here. Tell me more. But they're asking you guys to have hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but yeah, they definitely want you guys to have hope in the situation. Please stay positive. Because some of you guys are definitely manifesting things. Tell me more. What's going on with Capricorn? Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, and it's like you're trying to have hope, you're trying to stay positive, but you just don't have the strength. You know, I feel like, yeah, okay, let's back up. Okay, somebody could be dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. This person, you cut off in the past, but you really didn't want to cut this person off, but you felt like you had no choice. This person was playing around. So now the person that you cut off, this person is coming back. They want to talk to you. They're hesitating, but they're going to come back. They want to give you some type of truth here. Now, y'all know, let me just say it. I say it all the time. This is a general reading. So, it may not apply to everyone, and the situation can be vice versa. So, just take it however it fits for you in your situation. Okay, back to what's going on. So, you cut this person off, but now, like I was saying, they want to come back and communicate to you. They want happiness with you, but again, they have to give you their truth. Some of you guys knew to a degree that there was a third party going on, but this person didn't really give you all the details. I feel like they want to come back to tell you exactly what was going on in that situation because they have to in order to turn things around. I mean, you can't make this up. Tarot, they just better be completing my sentences. But yeah, this person wants to like get out of conflict with you. They want to turn things around, but you don't really see anything improving with this person because of what they did to you in the past. They could have possibly been dealing with somebody from their past, and it's like you just don't know if you can trust them. You guys are definitely using your intuition at this point to make your decision. And you're coming out of being sad. You know, coming out of feeling like there was something that was lost. It could be the other person, because I told you for some of you guys, the other person was in some type of codependent situation for finances. So maybe they felt like leaving this person, they were going to take some type of financial loss, but they're coming out of that energy. But right now, when it comes to you guys, you're not putting in the hard work anymore when it comes to this person. You're like, enough is enough. I've done everything that I could, and at this point, I'm done. So by you doing that, by you guys, you know, putting your foot down, you're backing up, this person is keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you, whether you know it or not. They're keeping a close eye, okay? Yeah, because you walked away from them. They're watching you. So look, because you walked away from them, now they're trying to clean it up. They're trying to clear away obstacles on their end. They're trying to get their life together, you know? So they want to be with you. Look at that. The truth came out. Clarify the Tower in reverse. I feel like, yeah, for some of you guys, I'm telling you, somebody was stuck in this situation for finances. Just, you know, what I'm seeing here. And it's like, when it comes to the relationship aspect, you really do want to work things out with this person. You really do want to have a peace of mind with them, but you don't because of what they put you through. Let's see what's going on. Tell me more. Look at that. There's a lot of conflict here. You guys were arguing a lot, or it could be that the person that you were dealing with, there were people on, you know, his end or her end that they were literally battling with, you know, arguing, and that was causing a lot of conflict between the two of you as well. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo here, but I feel like there was a lesson to be learned. Somebody needed to take a step back to reevaluate the situation. And they're frustrated. This other person that messed up, they're frustrated. And it's like, some of you guys may not have heard anything from them just yet, but they definitely want to tell you about how they feel. They want to let you know they love you. They messed up. Again, that card landed on top of my wedding card. So, you know, they really want to make some type of commitment to prove to you that they want to be with you. I'm telling you, somebody's getting engaged. I feel it. Somebody out there is getting, their proposal is coming. Somebody's worried. Tell me more. Because they're back and forth. Whether or not this person, you know, will disappoint them. Because you really want happiness with them. But it's like, again, you just don't trust them. You're tired of the same old cycle. Tell me more. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so, I mean, you can't make this up, y'all. So, the person that you're dealing with, they're moving slow, right? This person moves like a snail. But they're moving slow this go round because they don't want to bring any more drama to you. It's like every day they're getting stronger. They're trying to clear away obstacles to come towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. So, they're coming. They just moving so goddamn slow. They're coming. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a water sign here. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. If not, Scorpio just tried to jump out, so somebody definitely could be dealing with a Scorpio. So, if not, I feel like you're emotional, Capricorn. This person definitely has you in your feelings because, again, when you were dealing with them, they had other options. You were loyal to this person. You know, you gave this person your all, and they were out here entertaining, anybody else, you know? So it's like, I don't know if I can really trust you. You feel like you don't have any other options here with this person, which is why you're not putting in the hard work. Look at that. It's two people here. Somebody's having to choose between two. And you know what? Now that I think about it, when the Knight of Pentacles and the Hangman came out, I did see the Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck, but it was reversed. So, yeah, somebody had to get out of a three-party situation, and that's why you're nervous. Somebody is sad. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, like yourself, Taurus, or a Virgo, but yeah, somebody has to make a decision between two. I feel like one person, the individual looks at like, this is the one I know in my heart of hearts, like, I love this person completes me. The other person, I feel like they care and love this person too, but it's more of like a financial situation. So that's why they're moving slow. They're trying to get that together. Yeah, but you guys are looking at it like you felt left out in the cold. Could have been dealing with an Aries here. Good Lord, I got Libra. But yeah, so somebody definitely felt left out in the cold. You're looking at them like they didn't bring stability into your life. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of legal situation, but if not, I definitely feel like the truth is coming out. This person is scared to give you this offer, guys, because they really feel like you're going to reject them. That's why they're not being positive about it. That's why you're really not hearing from them, because they know they put you in a three-party situation. But they want to come in fast to tell you something. But they're in their head. This person's talking themselves out of it. It's like 1 minute, they're ready to rush in. Next minute, they're like, let me back up. So, yeah, they're in their head. It's a lot of mental conflict here, because they know they messed up. They know they only have one more time to say something to you, you know, because you're like, I'm not dealing with this. Yeah, there was a breakup here. They're in their head because you guys ended it with them. Because you stood up for yourself. You're like, I'm no longer tolerating the BS from you anymore. And so they're really thinking that you don't want anything to do with them. But deep down, for a lot of y'all, y'all do. Mm-hmm. I'm not going to keep saying y'all rolling your eyes. I'm going to just hush. But, okay. Let's see. But look at that. Somebody wants a victory here, Capricorn. I mean, you can't make this up. You can't. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but this person is coming back. They want a victory with you. I'm telling y'all, some of y'all are getting engaged. I'm not, like, I feel it. Somebody, y'all have to leave some comments. Somebody is coming back. If this person is not trying to throw a Hail Mary at this point, like, baby, wait, I'm sorry. Look, I'm serious this time. I got you a ring. Like, to prove themselves. That's the Hail Mary, okay? If it's not that, they're coming back because they do want things to improve, and they're going to offer you the commitment that you deserve. And that this commitment will lead into marriage. I'm so excited for whoever this is resonating for. Like, I'm excited. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. Yeah, but you guys are looking at the situation like you're not being positive about it because this person, again, put you in a third-party situation. You know, for some of you guys, it could be this person's, like, family member, their mom, motherly figure. It could be this other woman, this other man, taking however it fits your situation. But, yeah, that's why you're not being positive about it because you're like, I don't know if you're still in this third-party situation. I don't know if you're going to put me back in one. Can I trust you? But this person wants to come back to balance things out with you. They're ready to put in 100% of the effort. But somebody's feeling like they're not going to have this happy life with them because of what they did. It's the person that messed up. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, it's this person. They're like, oh my God, I messed up. I made the wrong decision. Now the person that I know I'm supposed to spend the rest of my life with, I don't think that's going to happen because of what I did to him or what I did to her. Tell me more. Somebody could be definitely dealing with a Scorpio here. I feel like somebody has been going through some type of transformation here, where something has to come to an end so that something new can begin for the two of you guys. They're shedding away old, thought processes, the way they behave, the people that they deal with. They're trying to, clear away all of that. But in the same breath, they're scared that they're not going to have a new beginning with you, Capricorn. Yeah, this person messed up bad. But look at, the Empress landed on top of the wedding card. You cannot make this up. Somebody wants a new beginning with you guys. I'm telling you, somebody is getting engaged. I feel it, and I'm getting so excited for somebody out there. Because it's like, I love. Like, whoever this is resonating for, oh my God, congratulations. Congratulations. Yes. Okay, so this person definitely wants a new beginning with you, but they're feeling guilty.